Oh, did you see the game last night? No. Oh, shh, he's coming. Be quiet.
Let's see. Vegetables? Gross. Ooh. Oh man. Oh man. I haven't had this stuff since the 3rd grade. Oh. Oh man, I can't wait to dig into this. Mmm. 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 Wow. Okay. Oh.
What just happened?
Oh, he likes to eat his cottage cheese sometimes. He usually throws up like that.
Dude, I'm scared.
Just be quiet and he won't find you.
Thomas, I don't want to hide in the refrigerator from the Nazis, okay? Please, please. Oh no!
That was disgusting. All right.
What the heck is he doing? he likes to eat whipped cream. Oh, be quiet.
Wait a minute.
Oh no, he found me!
Wait a minute.
Run for your life! Run for your life!
Please don't kill me!
You're not who I think you are.
Please don't kill me!
Who are you? I don't know who you are, but I will find you, and I will catch you, and I will kill you.